Merry Christmas. December 25. We are celebrating it as a Christmas day. We all know about this. Then what is special? The special thing is the date, December 25. It can be written as 1225. This is a magic number. If we add the digits of this number, the answer will be 1. Let's see. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. Again add the digits. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Also, 1225 is a perfect square of a number 35. It means 35 square is equal to 1225. We can calculate it in just 2 seconds. You can watch this by pressing the I button. On the other hand, we can say square root of 1225 is 35. It's time to solve the square root of any number in just 3 seconds with the help of Vedic math. We all know the square of numbers 1 to 10. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, up to so on 10 square is 100. Here we observe the last digit of numbers. As 1 square and 9 squares, the last digit is 1. Last digit of 2 and 8 square is 4. Last digits of 3 and 7 square is 9. Last digits of 4 and 6 square is 6. Last digit of 5 square is 5. And last digit of 10 square is 0. By observing this, we make a table. The last digits of the number and the last digit of its square root. If the last digit of the number is 1, the last digit of its square root will be 1 or 9. To understand it, let's take an example. Square root of 121. The answer will be take 2 places. As the last digit of the number is 1, so last digit of its square root will be 1 or 9. Similarly, if last digit of the number is 4, then last digit of its square root will be 2 or 8. Let's take example. Square root of 144. The answer will be take 2 places. As the last digit of the number is 4, so last digit of its square root will be 2 or 8. Similarly, if the last digit of the number is 9, so the last digit of its square root will be 3 or 7. If last digit of the number is 6, the last digit of its square root will be 4 or 6. Also, if the last digit of the number is 5, the last digit of its square root will be also 5. If the last digit of the number is 0, then last digit of its square root will be 0. Always keep this in your mind to find the square root of any number. Let's find out the square root of 1225. The answer will be take 2 places. First of all, we separate the last 2 digits from the starting digits. From the table, if the last digit of the number is 5, then the last digit of its square root will be 5. It means the last digit of our answer is 5. For the starting digits 12, Let's see where it lies. We all know 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. This number 12 lies between 3 square and 4 square. For the starting digits, we always take the smaller number, that is 3. It means square root of 1225 is 35. This is our final answer. Let's take one more example. Square root of 7744. The answer will take 2 places. First of all, we separate the last 2 digits from the starting digits. According to the table, if the last digit of the number is 4, then the last digit of its square root will be 2 or 8. It means the last digit of our answer is 2 or 8. Let's see where the 77 lies. We know 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. This number 77 lies between 8 square and 9 square. For the starting digits, we take the smaller number. It means the answer will be 82 or 88. To get a final answer, we compare this number 77 with 64 and 81. As 77 is closer to 81, which is the larger number, so our answer will be 88. If 77 is closer to 64, the answer will be 82. But here the answer is 88. It means square root of 7744 is 88. This is our final answer.